Hi guys, so today is Tuesday. So I didn't went yesterday to Burlington because you guys know I always go like every Monday to Burlington, but I didn't went yesterday, so I went today. Because I went to pick up probably the glare on my glasses, but it's okay, it's fine. I went to Burlington to go pick up a little layaway. It was just something simple that I want them to hold, and it took me probably like a couple of days just to get it, a week basically. So I went and got it. So I want to show you guys, girls, what I got for a baby that's coming next. I think it's next week. I think, or it's in March 2nd. I think 2nd or 3rd, around there. She's gonna get here. So this is for a new baby. So I want to show you guys what I got. And guys, sorry to say, I hope that everybody's has been having a nice beginning of the week, and I hope that everybody's doing good, and I hope that everybody's still praying and always have God first, because you know that without him we're not nothing. Okay guys, so I'm blessed for being here today. I'm blessed for my family. I'm blessed for everything that's going on in my life. I'm such a good status, not stat, it's a status, I think you could say status, like I'm good. Honestly, I'm real good. So yeah, so guys, let me show you really quick, mommies. I could run to your Burlingtons and you probably could find some. So I found this little peach color with lemon embroidery. Lemon is the little cardigan, and then when you turn it around, you have the little onesie, and it has the little lemon here, and it has a little ruffle right here, white with stripes going down. It's so stinking cute, guys. And it's mini bean 2 sets. They're $10 at Burlington. Look at how cute, guys. Right? It's cute. Yes, I know it. Girls, I got this other one. It's blue. It has a pie. It has a lemon, blueberries, well, a flower, a strawberry, and a butterfly with a little rose and embroidery, and white and pink little sweater. And then you turn it around, and it's the little like jean material little romper, and it has the lemon and the strawberry embroidered in there, and then a little ruffle right here. Guys, look at how cute. This is the same brand, Mini B, I think $9.99. Then I fall in love with this one, so I had to get it. This one is Catherine Malandrino baby set. You get 4 pieces. So you get, because I'm into the strawberries, it says just berry and patch. Look at how cute, a little baby blue. Then it comes with the little panties with little ruffle, like the little G material. Then you turn it around, you get the hat, right? The white, blue and white hat. And then you get this beautiful white with strawberries and blue little shirt. It has ruffles and buttons. It's so stinking cute, guys. Look, this one was $9.99 too. So yeah, the thing why I put it on hold was because I didn't need it really right there and then, so I just put it on hold. Then I went to Walmart, and I got this cherry little sleeper, $5.98, cream color with cherries on them. It's so stinking cute. So yeah, and then I also, excuse me, let me just get it right here. I got these little newborn little mittens for my baby, for Hope, because remember I have a cuddle baby, so I wanted her to have some mittens. And this material is so nice. It's like really thick. It's really nice material. And then guys, have you ever seen a cow chicken? Well, you're gonna see it out, guys. Look at how cute. It's a cow and it's a chicken at the same time. Look at that, guys. It's so stinking cute. It's a plushie. These are the new plushies for Easter, but they have them all different types. So I see this one and I like it because it's a cow chicken. Look at that. It's so stinking cute. White and black, and then it has the chicken on the top. It's so stinking cute. That's for the new baby. Then I have put, I missed 2 things. I put this beautiful white and pink bottle Winnie the Pooh bottle. You guys remember back in the days how they used to have this right here? So I got this one for this is all these things are for the new baby that's coming. And then I found two of the Playtex pacifiers in pink. So I got two of them in pink. And then I went to JCPenney, and they didn't have a sale. They just had like the regular sale. It wasn't on. Oh, hold on, because I got some stuff from Walmart. Hold on, it's in here too. So right, I went to JCPenney, and I found this beautiful. If you can see, it has eyelets. The eyelid fabric. You see how cute, and it has a little. These were $6.99 just for the panty only, $6.99. But I grabbed it regardless because I could use it either with the shirt that I brought it, or let's say like if I want to put like a Justin, I need a little pair of pants. There you go, the white ones. You see how cute, guys? It's so cute. But then I found the shirt is a little onesie. Look at how cute, and it has the same design. Let me just show you. That's a newborn, and it's so big. Look at how cute, guys, this outfit is. Tell me that it's not cute, right? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I paid $17 for this 2 pieces in JCPenney. 17 bucks, okay? I can't. But you know what? I like it, so I took it. So when I went to Walmart on Sunday, I was just going because I wanted to get some white onesies for Hope, because she's a cuddle baby, so I needed some white onesies. Long sleeves. They didn't have none. But when I looked up, guys, look what I found. 0 to 3 months. Hold on, let me show you. You can see. Why do they have the same print as the clothes? The white ones. Look at how cute. These were 10 bucks. $10. 0 to 3 months. I got them. Not only that, I'm looking and looking, guys. Look what I found. Guys, I'm sorry. This is the cutest ever. I don't care what nobody says. I'm just fixing it so you guys can see it. Guys, look at little clocks. Look. Oh my goodness, they're the cutest ever. They have the little elastic at the back. Look at how cute, guys. $10 too, so I had to get them because this is all for my new my new baby that's coming. Well, the baby's coming, but I have to put her together. I have to paint her, but she's gonna be beautiful. Trust me, she's gonna be beautiful. She's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, guys, that's what I did. And then I know you guys seen the 2 new babies, my 2 new babies in my collection, which is Hope and Believe, which is Matilda and Mia over there. I have them there. I'm gonna do later a video to change their clothes because they're in their pajamas already. Well, they was in pajamas last night when I put them to sleep, so I have to change them. And how do you call it? Just change them and just you know, hook them up like you say. Also, guys, I forgot to tell you. So I did a deep cleaning the other day. I did a deep cleaning on all the gavetas, everything. I took out so much clothes with tags. Basically, everything basically is brand new with tags on it. I took out the only dolls I left in the bed is Jenny asleep, June awake, Bryce, the little silicone baby. I have Bella in here, and then I have Faith, Hope, and Believe. They're all in the changing table. And then the rest of the babies are, some of them I just got rid of them, and I just did what I really play with, you know, because right now I have like 6 dolls, 6 kits right there, and I have some. It's too much. I can't do too much like that. Too much is too much. I'm telling you, I clean the closet, the closet rack, the clothes rack I got here. I took a bunch of clothes from the top, from the girls, from the boys, from big girls, small. Tell me, I went through everything, and I got a big trash bag, like a big trash bag. I already got rid of it, you could say. So yeah, guys, so Yeah, I know. Guys, I'm always everywhere. You know that I really don't. My brain just goes here, over there, everywhere, guys. It's the age. When you turn 55, we're not young no more. So this is how it's going. Oh, and for the ladies that were asking me about the weight journey, yes, I'm still in it. I started when I came back. From 3 weeks ago to now, I already lost 9 pounds in 3 weeks. So I need like 10 more pounds and then I'm done. And thanks God, everything is going good. I'm feeling way better. And that's about it, guys. Nothing else. Later, stay tuned for later so I could do a video changing the babies. And what else? Oh yeah, guys, I did my nails. Yeah, yes, get my nails. Yes, I did that. Yes, I did that. I did my nails. What else? Nothing else, guys. Nothing else. It's okay. I'm in so much peace and I'm so relaxed. Like, honestly, guys, you wake up in the morning and you just like your mind, your brain, your heart, your whole life feels so relieved and so comfortable and so at peace and so good that you don't even have to worry about nothing. And I thanks God for that, that I don't have to worry. I gotta worry about my kids, but you know what, I don't, because I got them on the prayers and God is watching over them, so I know that they're good too. And yeah, guys, and I'm sorry I didn't start it with one of the devotions, but I did have one this morning that it showed up, and it says that always listen to the whispers in your ear that God is telling you, and do not listen to the shouts of the devil, the evil. The evil. So that's the way it goes. Always listen to the whispers in your ears that God tells you, and I missed it. I should have wrote it down. And don't listen to the shouts of the evil. That's the way it goes. So guys, always remember that, okay? Always remember that. Listen to the whispers of God in your ears, and don't listen to the shouts of the evil. So that's what showed up today to me. So yeah, guys, so I guess I'll see you in my other video. This is just a short video, a little video everywhere. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in my next video. So I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.